Good morning. My name is Candice Paola Vidal Hernandez. Course in English 2 for Level 1. Teacher Juan Gavinian Video Presentación. My sister. Introduction. My sister. Personal chapters. Personal day. Name Catherine Vidal Hernandez. She has beautiful family, a cute and playful daughter and intelligent son, a very hardworking husband, and a little dog named Luna. Occupation, nurse. Direct patient care, hearing news assessments, human promotion and disease prevention, nurturing active, listening to music, cooking. Use favorite music is Spanish pop, salsa, merengue, vallenato. I 50, 35 years old. Birthday 7 of May. National Colombia. Personal time. 1. Responsible. I take my responsibility serious and in our news dealings. 2. Hardworking and young, very dedicated and why even me with best efforts. 3. Creative and enjoy coming up with new ideas and innovative solutions. 4. Team player and work with others and enjoy collaboration in group projects. 5. Organize. I like to keep things in order and plan here to avoid stress. 6. Adapt and flexible and comfortable in use of change environments. Personal time. 7. Motivated and self-driven and passionate about and growth. 8. Communicative and good in expression, ideas clearing and listening to others. Thank you.